Intro. Hi, I am here again, trying this again because it was really fun the first time, even though I was the second one to die, and I guess we're already ditching everyone. Come on, let's not try to ditch each other. That's just not nice. Okay. I just try to hurry this up. Okay. I'm betting the skeleton dude will just die again. I'm not trying to be mean or anything. Yeah, because he's all by himself again. What the fuck? What am I doing here? Nothing. Are you kidding me? No! Why am I alone? Oh, I'm stuck with you. You're gonna die. It's just your costume. Nothing against you personally. Let's just go. Guess we're gonna be all alone. Scooby-Doo gives lies. Never split up. Ever. It's just terrible. Yep, they're gone. They're long gone. I'm stuck with the creepy dude. It looks like he wants to kill me. Huh. Nothing yet? Well, then we move forward. Onward. I don't like this. Yep, here we go with fucking scary tapes again. I mean, not scary tapes. Scary statues of monsters and dragons. I wonder who found the next other tape. I think it was them. Yes! Fuck you. There we go. We're making good progress, even though we're all good when our team got all split up. I don't like this. It's not a really good strategy, but we can try. I'm good doing new things. I wonder who he's gonna go after first, our group or their group. Unless those two split up and they're just dumb. Let's just go to the statue. I like this statue. Not really, but we could just try. See anything yet, do you? Oh, is that you? No, we're right next to him. Take that back. Okay. Well, we're making good progress. Don't worry, I'm right behind you. Okay, let's see. Whoa, we are really making good progress. We just need like 4 more down. We're halfway there. Oh yeah. I like this. Don't like the daisy though. There's another one. Oh yeah. 3 more. Oh jeez. I just felt something. I don't want to look behind me. Don't look behind you. Because if there's something behind you, well, I guess we got each other's backs. I don't like walking the roads, really. Jaywalking is a really serious crime. But we're doing it anyway. Well, yeah, that's it. Whoa! Whoa, okay. That was nice. See, he doesn't like jaywalking either. Okay, I think he's a really good 2 more. Hell yeah. And we're going to die. We are not going to live. They're gonna probably die. I mean, survive, but we're not because we're jaywalking, and that's illegal. It is really. It's not a serious crime, but it is apparently to him. Sadly. I don't want to look behind me. I really don't. Hopefully he doesn't pop up in front of us. I'm just jinxing myself. I should just shut up right now. Where's he going back now? Hopefully we meet up with them. I really hope so. Really hope so. I don't think we ever found anything, did we? Let's hope they did. Huh. I how the sky is. It's very nice. It's beautiful. Very beautiful sky. Where are we going? I think we went this way. Why are we... Okay, make up your mind. Do you want to go this way or not? Don't worry about looking back here. I'll let you know. Unless... Okay, well, I don't know how. Don't even know if we have a mic, so I don't know if I'm going to let you know if I get killed or there's something behind us. We're back at the dragon again. Okay. I don't like this whatsoever. I really want them. I hate walls. I really do. Oh, there's... Yeah! Yeah! Well, this is kind of bad now, because we've all went in a circle now, and, well, we have 2 more, so I think we're doing kind of good. What am I saying? Let's just try to find the others. Okay. Never look behind you. It always never fails. It's bad. It's bad. They never died. He's right behind us, dude. He's right behind us. Survival of the fittest. Baddies no die. Baddies no die. It's like, oh my, what? What? Where's everyone? I want to be in with everyone. Skeleton dude, you're my homie. You're my homie since the beginning. Come on, stick with me, man. Stick with me. I don't care about the others. I ran out of it. I need to relax. I really do. Yep, we're completely alone. Don't lose me. 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 Oh, jeez, we've never been here before. Hopefully there's a tape. These weird ant chick things. No tapes. You see any tapes? I don't. Okay. Well, this is a weird sculpture. That's another weird... Oh, it's a hand. Well, is that a rock or what? It's another hand. What is this? Is that a hand too? Oh, that's a book. Okay, well, hey, there's... Okay! Yep, well then, yeah, let's walk this way, guys. Let's walk this way. Where's my skeleton dude? Where's my skeleton dude? There he is. Dude, you're away from us. Let's not all group up. Jeez. If he all gets us at the same time! If he gets us at the same time, we'll die. We'll all die. Let's just go. Let's just go. Getting goosebumps. Okay. Still no tape. Where's... Oh, this way. Calmly walk this way. Oh, did they die? Did they die? I don't see them. I do not see them. I do not see them. I do not see them. Just go down. Take a breather. Calmly. Don't run away from me. I do not want to die alone. Still nothing. Just rocks. Just a pile of rocks. Which probably doesn't have a tape. Whoa, it does have a tape. We need one more. We need one more. Yeah, really need one more. Don't run from me. I need you. I need you. I don't want to be alone. I hate being alone. I'm not good being alone. I freak out too much. Okay. I wonder if they die, they spawn right next to us being a ghost. That would be a lot more helpful to know. Because if they didn't die, then they shouldn't be around us. Right? I think so. I hope so. We've never seen that guy for a while. I'm glad that we haven't. I'm just going to trust you for a little bit and just follow you in the dark. There's probably no battery life. Really. Pile of rocks. We've been here before. That's nice. That's wonderful. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? You're right next to me. Oh my gosh! Don't tell me he died. Don't tell me he died. Ah! Where did he go? Did he die? Did he die? Did he die? I'm looking. I don't want to lose him, and I don't want to die. I don't want. Okay, we are okay. I'm sorry. I think that's too much. I lost you for a second, and I. Ah! You slid right next to me. I saw you. I saw you. I hate you so bad. Gosh. I slid right by you and I saw you. You sneaky, you were supposed to hold still, but no. You just walked right in front of me. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Where are my other friends? Do I have a map it could show? Nope. I could just randomly just walk around. Huh. I wonder if I died in this where I specifically died, because if there was a tape here and I died next to a tape, I would beat myself up. I would. No? I see light. I'm going towards the light. Towards the light. I'm going. There's no running option on this thing, but I'm going. He died. I think I just looked at the guy that died. So close! So close! Ugh. In memory, I last second to longest. Oh my gosh, those two did die that time. I really did not participate in that. I walked second to best. I didn't have the... I'm manly. I didn't scream that much. I'm happy. I'm second. Well, no, third. I'm happy. Yeah, see, they just like, oh, well, I'm just gonna forget Montana. So, we got one. Yep. Oh, see, we got the puzzle pieces. Oh, and then we passed by. Well, they found the most puzzle pieces, I guess. Well, that's nice. We went around completely, almost around the map. I'm guessing on the bottom left-hand corner, or in the middle, that's where the other tape was. Oh, Jesus. Yep, this is when we just like, oh, we're just gonna be together. And we left each other again. They died. Oh, jeez, that's terrible. I died. Oh yeah, see? Oh, well, we did good. Okay, subscribe, comments, suggestions, you know. Thanks for watching. End.